Howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. So this is a new round, and our day one sketch is by Sarah Christensen. I hope that's how you say it. But this is the sketch, and it's super, super cute. And I do not have my stuff ready, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm working with before I cut it all up. I also wanted to say that I'm combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style, but I'm going to do it differently this month. I have, since I've played along all year, I have kind of missed just jumping around and grabbing whatever strikes my fancy and working on that. So I felt like this month I may end up reusing some kits twice, but I thought that I would pull out kits that I have had for a long time and work on using some of those up. But I didn't want to lock it in with just one collection all month, which I know is kind of out of the norm. But I am still going to build little mini kits, so to speak. So I have had this paper pad for a very long time. You guys know this is really old. Whenever I bought this at Hobby Lobby, and I got it on clearance for $5.49, but it's a Prima pad. It only has 6 pieces left in it. I was trying to see if it had a date on it, but I don't see a date. But Midnight Garden was the name of it. And I only had like 6 sheets left. The whole thing's just falling apart. But I thought I would pull one of the sheets out and use it. So I'm going to use this textured looking background. It's on the back of these feathers, which I like, but I don't really have a use for. I don't see myself ever using those. And I am going to combine it with a digital collection by Shabby Art Boutique, and it's called Cherished Memories. And since this had frames, it showed frames, I kind of wanted to follow this as close as I could. So I printed out some frames for my photos. Don't even have photos picked yet. And I printed out lots of other little things that I can put for the other ones. Look at these little birds. Aren't they so sweet? And I printed out a few other pattern papers, maybe to go in behind. But they're so beautiful. And some quotes. And then these different little things. I don't even know if I'll use all this, but I am going to work on getting it all cut out. And then I will come back and we will put it together. Alright guys, I'm back. And I wanted to mention that for October, I had found these little calendar things on a Facebook site called Ordinary and Happy. And they post them every month, all through the month. They have them for everything, from cleaning to mental health to everything. And I saw a few of them that I really liked, and I did post them over in my Facebook group because I think they are awesome jumping off points, especially for scrapbookers or people who journal, to journal about these things and tell the stories, because I feel like these are kind of the important memories and why we even scrapbook. So, my idea for October is to actually use these prompts. I may not use them all this month, and I'm not going to go in order, but I am going to skip around. So I decided for today, I was going to do this one, which is a friend you don't see much these days, but you're still grateful for. So I did find my pictures and all that stuff. And I am going to do pictures of me and my friend Tootie. We have been friends since the 6th grade. Y'all, if you're on my personal Facebook, you probably saw lots of pictures because me and her are flower farm buddies. We go and do all the fun, Hallmark activities together. And sometimes we do have other people go with us. Sometimes it's just us, but we always have a blast. I did do my journaling on Canva so I could change the font and stuff, and then I just printed it out to fit in the area. So it pretty much says, our friendship has always been more like a sisterhood than anything else. Since 6th grade, we've walked through life together, through laughter, heartbreak, loss, and countless adventures. From cheering at football games to watching our kids grow up, we've shared milestones that have woven our stories together in a way that time and distance can never undo. Even though we don't see each other as often as we'd like, the moment we reconnect, it's as if no time has passed at all. Our bond is effortless, unshakable, and forever rooted in love and understanding. And I absolutely love her. She is like my sister. And but that's my photos and my journaling I'm gonna do. And then I created this title on my Cricut, and it says, "A friend loves at all times." And I did use full to back it with. Then I have some papers that I cut out of the printables I showed you guys, and on a couple of them I just tied some of the chiffon ribbon around. And then I have my embellishments that I've done. I've already popped some of them on foam, but these are the ones I ended up deciding to use. So let's put this together. Since we have everything ready, it's going to go together super fast. Again, here's a reminder of the sketch we are following by Sarah. Okay, so let me get my glue. I thought about sewing on these, but then I thought, you know what? I feel like I've kind of already did a lot with it, and I don't want to go overboard, so I ended up just deciding against sewing. So, but I have to say I am super happy with this layout. I have already, of course, laid it out the way I want it to go. And I, of course, cut out all of my, fussy cut all my stuff, the frames and the embellishments. I absolutely love them. Okay, this one's gonna go on top. Trying to make sure I've got them somewhat spaced out, because y'all know I don't measure, and sometimes I get a little crazy. Gonna put this one here. This is a gorgeous sketch, by the way, Sarah. I absolutely love it. So thank you for creating it. I always love me a good grid layout. I actually did one very similar to this last month, but I like this one already so much better than I did last month. Let's see here. These are stunning printables by Shabby Art Boutique. Absolutely love them. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if my phone was just going crazy the whole time or if it just started. So if I have to cut all of that out, because it's like zooming super in and out and in and out and in and out, it was like, I don't know what it was doing, glitching. But if so, this is going to be the layout. We pretty much just laid out a grid pattern, added embellishments, and I hope that you guys enjoy this and that you will go over and check out everyone else that is playing along with the 30 days of sketches. Thank you so much, Sarah, for this sketch. I really loved it, and I think it turned out beautifully. So, thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. And until next time, bye, y'all.